Hello everyone. Today on TechVibes, we are fixing a common problem, the LG TV stuck on the logo screen. This is your professional troubleshooting guide. Is your LG TV stuck on the logo screen? I know how frustrating it is when you just want to relax and watch your favorite show. You are not alone in this. The good news is, you can likely fix this yourself at home. Stay with me, and we will get your TV back to life without a repair bill. If you face any difficulty during these steps, please comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour. We are here to help. Please like and share this video if it helps you. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Vibes for more useful tech solutions every week. Our first fix is the simplest. We are going to perform a power cycle. This process clears temporary software glitches and resets the system. First, turn off your TV. Unplug it directly from the wall outlet. Wait for exactly 60 seconds before plugging it back in to drain any residual power. If that did not work, let us try a hard reset. This step is more intensive and helps clear deeper system errors that a normal cycle might miss. While the TV is still unplugged, press and hold the physical power button on the TV itself for 30 seconds. Then wait 1 more minute before plugging it in. Sometimes a faulty external device can block the boot process. One bad cable or USB drive can keep the whole system stuck on the logo. Unplug every HDMI and USB device. Now try turning on the TV with nothing but the power cable connected to see if it boots correctly. If you can briefly access the menu before it freezes, a factory reset is your best bet. This will revert all settings to their original state. Press the settings button on your remote. Go to Settings, then go to All Settings, then go to General, and finally select Reset to Initial Settings. If the screen is totally stuck, you can force a firmware update using a USB drive. You will need a computer with internet access for this. Download the latest firmware from the official LG website. Put it on a USB drive and plug it into your TV. The update should start automatically. Advanced features can sometimes cause boot loops. If you get back into your TV, I recommend disabling Quick Start Plus and Simp Link in the settings. If none of these steps work, it may be a hardware issue with the main board. In that case, please contact LG support for a professional repair. I hope this video helps you get your TV back. Thank you for watching Tech Vibes. Don't forget to subscribe. We will see you in the next one.